In this video, I'm going to show you how to set alerts on NinjaTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the chart, any of the charts, and then just right-click anywhere on the blank space. So right here, for example, right-click and click on Alerts. Now, in here inside alerts, you have a bunch of different options. You can go ahead and under general select if you want it to be enabled. You can name it. I'm going to name it test alert. There we go. And what you can also do is you can basically change its type over here. You can then set the conditions. So here you can also select if you want basically all the conditions to be met to actually trigger the alert, or only basically one of them. And you can then add them by clicking add over here. You can then create whatever you want over here, such as general properties, etc., and then press OK. And then after you do that, here you can also set basically how you want it to appear. So this is going to be the text. Over here you have a bunch of different options. Here you can set the priority, change the color of the background, change the color of the foreground, and then down here you can also add in actions. So for example, what you want to happen, like play a sound, share a message, show a pop-up, etc. Okay, so that's completely up to you what you want to do, but then whenever you're ready, you can just go ahead, click on apply and OK, and your alert will be created. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.